Okay, welcome back. We're going to be talking about saving our calibration setup files on our computers and being able to take a copy of the files from the computer and copy them back onto the instrument. So I should mention right off that every instrument and probably every model, they're all different. So you have to check your own user manual on how to do it for your instrument. I'm just going to demo here for just this Epoch 650. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on. And notice here that the SD card, that says in black letters SD with a red X through it, that indicates there's no SD card, no external SD card inserted into this side panel. Let's see what we have for files here on this machine right now. This machine has quite a few files on it, 14 files. And let's go ahead and back this up onto the card. So I'm going to go back, use the escape key to go back twice to the home base menu. And I'm going to insert the SD card into this side panel. Okay, and these are the micro SD cards. Kind of difficult to fit these in there. Come on. There we go. All right, and now it shows the SD card. There's no red X on it. That means that there's an external SD card there. And let's look for that submenu called miscellaneous. We need that for the function that we're looking for. I think that might be in the instrument setup. Yeah, instrument setup, miscellaneous. And white background can be hard to read through. Let me go ahead and highlight this next to last item. Backup from internal to external SD card. So this is an all or nothing operation. It's going to take the entire contents of the whole instrument and put them on the card. And that will be the entire contents of the card after we do this. So let's go ahead and hit the start button. Are you sure? Hit the yes button. Please wait. Alright, so everything has been backed up onto that SD card. So we can exit this and we can pop the card out. Let's go ahead and do that. And let's see what we have on here for files. Let's look at the Files menu. File, Open. And I don't know if you can read through that white background, but there's quite a few files in here. And I'm going to go through and delete them all. And let me escape out of here and look for the File Manage. And I'm going to, in the File Manage function, I'm going to use the delete function. And I'm going to delete all of these one at a time. Delete. Are you sure? Yes. Delete. Are you sure? Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and continue deleting all these. Be back with you in a moment. Okay, we're back. So we've deleted all our files. The only thing that remains here is this thing called noname00. You can't get rid of that. The system puts that on there. So there's no files on here. There's no instrument calibration setups on here anymore. They're all gone. And so we did make this copy of them onto this SD card. And so you should take this to your laptop and make a copy of the whole card. And then when you are in a situation where you want to put your files back onto here, you go get your SD card with all your files on it. There we go. All right, now that we have our card popped in there. The SD card is in there. We can go ahead and look for that miscellaneous submenu in Instrument Setup, Miscellaneous. And now we want this last option down here. Restore from external SD card to internal. So it's an all or nothing operation. It's going to take the entire contents of the card, and this is what the machine will have. There will be nothing else on this machine except what was on that card. Alright, so we can go Start. Are you sure? Yes. All data will be restored. Okay. Please power off gauge. Please power gauge off and on for changes to take effect. Okay. Off and on. And let's see if we have our files. File, open, and there they are. We've brought them all back in. All right, so your machine may be different, but gives you an idea of how it's done. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye for now.